All right, drivers, keep it moving, slow and steady. Watch your spacing back there. Keep coming straight. Keep coming back, slow now. Watch the corner, watch the corner.
All right, girls, right this way. Steady now, watch your step.
Bang in slowly now. Push them to lift you. Push them through, keep the line tight. Watch the horns in the big one. Almost there.
Keep moving, get on the scale. Okay, steady, 1,012 kilograms.
Keep it steady on this side.
All right, moving to the next section now.
See how gently that one nudged the other?
Yes, noted. Temperament seems excellent across this group.
Keep them moving, nice and steady. Gates clear, closing it now.
As you can see on the screen, the Chevrolet shipment has arrived. All 20 trucks were processed smoothly overnight.
These gloves are in excellent condition. Keep up the good work.
Ready, press it up.
This one's full. That's it.
Okay, move it out. Let's clear this section.
Shelf B, row 3, 250 units.
Confirmed. Scanning now.
The process here is fully integrated,
ensuring complete
traceability from start to finish.
and the polishing technique.
That's the
As you can see on the charts, our current split horn production is below target. We must increase the quota by 10% immediately.
Check the thickness here near the flank.
It meets the CMF standard, but barely. Note the water retention.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Next one. This batch has a good, even texture. Flipping to check the backside. Starting the split, feed looks good. Adjusting for uniformity, output is stable. Bleach levels at 85%. Good color enhancement, keep it steady. Final rollers are clear. Initiating selective blue dye program. Targeting the main hide area now. Parameter set, executing. Initiating coding sequence now. Flow rate is optimal, even coverage. Next batch ready for input. Pattern loaded, starting automated cut. Precision at 0.1 millimeter. Perfect for luxury jackets. Initiating lining sequence for batch 12.
Copy. Conveyor engaged. Monitoring alignment.
Adhesion quality is optimal. Proceed. Initiating paint and seal on these edges. Coating is even. Looks good. Examining this seam for alignment and quality. The stitches are uniform, no gaps or irregularities. Initiating emboss. Sequence complete. Attaching CITES tags for full traceability. Next jacket, applying the tag. Jacket in, sealing this one. Next box ready. Scan complete, logging to database. Initiating the waterproofing test now. Observe the beading, excellent water resistance. Initiating the run, monitor the adhesive flow. Flow is steady, applying lining now. Alignment looks good, smoothing complete. Stitch alignment looks good, zooming in for quality. Tension is consistent, no defects visible. Initiating emboss cycle. Emboss complete. Moving to next item. Initiating wrap cycle. Confirm next batch loading. Scanning white leather inventory. Logging to database. Next bundle confirmed. Initiating spray test on luxury jackets. Perfect beading, no penetration, waterproofing confirmed.
Lining aligned, starting the stitch. Stitch complete, looks perfect. Initiating final check.
Unconfirmed.
Dimensions verified, pass. Logging results, ready for next unit.
Battery storage holding at 48 volts. Inverter efficiency at wall. Confirm, all systems green. First, approach calmly, no shouting. Use a steady hand on the neck, like this. See? Gentle but firm. The hide data is solid. Processing yields will be high.
Agreed. And the genetic markers for horn size are the breeding program.
These corridors let us observe safely. Below are the 1-ton bighorn white cows. Incredible size.
That'll be $35.50.
Card, please.
Here you are. Have a good one.
Thanks. Keep it moving. Pens need fresh straw. Watch that big one. It's coming close. Almost done. Grab the next bale. Opening this export shipment for final prep. Verifying the split horns and leather. All premium. Logging and sealing for dispatch. For our safety record. Congratulations. Thank you. This is for the whole team. Well deserved. The new processing wing must integrate seamlessly.
Yes, the blueprint shows the expansion here.
And the 3D model confirms structural integrity. Control, patrol complete. Bighorns all quiet. Initiating landing sequence now. Quadcopter secure. This polished item is from split horns refined from our process. And this is our finished white leather jacket from bighorn white cows.